Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to activate your AT&T prepaid SIM card online. It's super easy, just follow along with me step by step. Alright, first open up Google Chrome or any browser that you like, then type in AT&T prepaid activation portal in the search bar. Now click on the first link that says something like activate AT&T prepaid phone from retail, and that's the page that we need. Once you're on that page, it's going to ask how many lines you want to activate. So for me, I'm just activating one, so I'll pick that and tap continue. Next, you'll see a page where you need to fill out some information to activate your SIM card. So the first thing it asks is for your ICC ID number. Now you're wondering, what is that? So just to give you a context, it's the number that you'll find on the SIM card packaging. Usually right under the barcode. So go ahead and type that in. Then it will ask for your IMEI number. This number is different depending on your phone, Android or iPhone. So if you're not sure where to find it, just search how to find IMEI on your phone model on Google. It will help you out. After that, type in your zip code and then click continue. And that's it. Your AT&T prepaid SIM card should now be activated. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.